Hi, I'm Chris, the Executive Director here at Sojourn Turkey Custom Travel, and I want to thank you for sending us your tour request from the Turkey Travel Planner website. We're sending you a sample request based on the information that you've provided us on the form, and all of our sample itineraries go through a summary of each day in detail and then have some price offerings there. And we know as you set out to plan your trip to Turkey, you have questions about what hotels to stay at, who the best guides are, how do you get between the locations, and we handle all those details. We focus on luxury custom travel so you can assure the best choices and the best service in service providers. Our hotels I personally visit and hand pick, so you can trust that those are outstanding hotels that meet your need, whether they're luxury or boutique or 4-star. We visit hundreds of hotels each year and stay abreast of those that have great service. Also, our guides are excellent. They speak English wonderfully. Most of them have masters and are experts in their field, ranging from art to archaeology, and they really bring the world of Turkey to life for our visitors. They're one of the high points for most of our travelers here. Also, I'll mention that we have privately provided transfer services between the hotels and the airports and vice versa, and when you're traveling on your tour days. We also use direct air flights from Istanbul to Cappadocia, Istanbul to Ephesus and to Antalya, etc., to make your travel time as quick as possible between those locations. Some of the distances in Turkey can be quite long. I will say as well that we focus on high-end customer service. This year has been very busy. There's lots of requests and lots of tours that are operating, so if you're interested in using our service, do reach out to us, as we have a limited number of tours that we're able to offer each year, and we would be glad to serve you, but do reach out to us as soon as possible so that you can ensure access. If you have any questions about our service or the itinerary, do feel free to respond to this email, and we'll make whatever changes you want to the itinerary appropriately. So again, thank you very much for your time and your submission to the Turkey Travel Planner website. We look forward to serving you and hosting you here in Turkey soon.